Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn about how to make changes in cell alignment of cells. So stay tuned and watch till the end. I have three columns. One is with book, second one is version, and third one is status. For example, if I want to change the alignment of this cell, alignment means the placement of words within the cell. So I will select those cells and then from the Home tab, there is a paragraph field, and within the paragraph field, there are four options here. So first option, it is to align left the word. If I click this one, so it will align all those cells, all those words within those cells towards the left hand side. If I go to the second option is to align the cell in the center of the cell. So if I click this one, all those words will be moved in the center of the cell. If I move on to the next one is to align the cell towards the right hand side of the cell. If I click this one, it will move, all those words will be moved towards the right hand side of the cell. And the last one is to justify the text. If I click this one, it will come back towards the left hand side. It is mainly for the numerical cells with the numerical values. If I justify this one, so it will come towards the left hand side. So this is how you can change the cell alignment without using shortcut. So next part, I will show how can we use the shortcut to change the cell alignment. So select all those cells and then for align left hand side, so I'll press Alt H A L. So if I press Alt H A L, it will align the cell towards the left hand side. Next one is to align centrally, so I will press Alt H A C. So it will move all those words in the center of the cell. So next one is align towards the right hand side. So shortcut key is Alt H A R. So all those words will be moved towards the right hand side. Last one is to justify the text. So it will Alt H A J. So press Alt H A J, so it will justify all those cells. So this is how you can align your cells with the help of shortcut key and without using shortcut key. So hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.